Hey guys, welcome back to WordPress Learners. In this session, we are going to cover why should I learn WordPress. So, introduction will be like the WordPress is launched in 2003 purely for blogging purpose, and it is also an open source content management system which is written in PHP and MySQL database. In 2019, the 60% of the website using CMS, and currently it powers more than 75 million websites. With this data, we know the popularity of WordPress and why the most websites are built using WordPress. In this slide, we are going to find out the different statistics for different CMS. Like if you check out the WordPress had over 140 million downloads and Joomla had over 30 million downloads and Drupal has over like 15 million downloads. With this download statistics, you will also know why WordPress is so much popular compared to any other CMS, because it's a user-friendly admin panel with easy to add any functionality, easy to create any kind of website, whether it will be e-commerce, whether it will be a news website. So the next point we are going to cover, should I learn WordPress? Is still WordPress worth learning in this year or in coming year? So what is the future of WordPress? In the complete end of the session, we will be let you know why WordPress is still worth learning in the coming years, in the many more future years as well. Let's go one by one. So in this session, we are going to cover the following topics, which are what is WordPress and WordPress versus Drupal, WordPress versus Joomla, and how does WordPress work? Is WordPress expandable? What are the big companies that use WordPress? And how to become a WordPress developer? Can I use WordPress for big companies? All these topics we are going to cover in the coming slides. So and stay tuned to our what is WordPress? WordPress is the most powerful website builder in the world. More than 34% of the website on the internet are built with this CMS. Back in 2003, developers Matt and Mike has developed this CMS WordPress. It is also an open source website builder based on PHP, which means you don't need to pay any money for the WordPress. You just need to download online with free. You can install it anywhere. Then you don't need to pay any money to the organization. It is also under GPL certificate, which means anyone can work on it, add or remove features from it. This is the major advantage as a CMS. Like you can add and remove any features from the WordPress CMS. It depends as per your requirement. And more than 40% of the popular websites are built by WordPress. So with this percentage as well, you know why WordPress is so much popular in the market. So if let's compare with WordPress with different CMS, WordPress versus Drupal. WordPress is gained its popularity because of its easy to use, and you don't need to have any programming language, and for normal person also they will be easily able to use WordPress, and they will be able to add any kind of functionality, any kind of theme. They will create any kind of website without any programming knowledge, and they don't need like you don't need a huge budget also, or a populated, like you don't need to have a big team for maintaining the website as well. On the other hand, if you compare Drupal versus WordPress, Drupal is known for the big, secure, and Drupal developer friendly for creating a complex website. Like for creating a Drupal website, you need to have a developer specific to Drupal, so he will be able to configure and build your website as per your requirement. With WordPress, you don't need specifically WordPress developer, but as a normal person, as a normal person also, you will be able to add any kind of functionality, any kind of website you can develop. In generally, WordPress is used to build websites with many contents like blogging, e-commerce, news website, and many more. But Drupal is ideal for the complex websites. So with this slide, you understood the difference between WordPress and Drupal. The coming one is like WordPress versus Joomla. Joomla is yet another powerful CMS which is covered between middle ground between WordPress and Drupal. You can argue that Joomla is also user friendly as WordPress, but the extra functionality option to build a complex website. To build website with Joomla, you will have to have a basic programming knowledge as it requires a bit of coding. On the other hand, WordPress does not require to have any programming language. Plugins and themes can be used in both, like in Joomla and as well as in WordPress. Both use plugins and themes for creating a website, but WordPress related themes and plugins are more sim- simpler to use compared to Joomla. In regards to SEO, also WordPress offers variety of plugins which makes life easier for the programmer to create a website with SEO friendly, because the current world is more focusing on the SEO, because everyone wants to their website on the top of the page. Every post wants to be ranked higher on the web page. So that's why more people are using WordPress. Then we are going to find out how does WordPress work. In older days, you have to learn a programming language to create a series of code to display single page web browser. But nowadays, by installing a WordPress on your web server, which only takes 5 minutes, you can use it web-based editor to create a web page without knowing any programming language. This CMS needs main two components to work on any web server, which is PHP and MySQL. PHP is a server-side language which makes it dynamic, means it runs on any web browser. Due to existence of WordPress, PHP has become one of the most popular programming language. MySQL is a database where you can create, update, delete any queries. Is WordPress is expandable. Most WordPress users don't need any programming knowledge. If you don't have any designing or programming knowledge, still looking for a way to create multiple features to your website, you should not worry about that. You easily add the functionality in WordPress. WordPress allow you to create a different themes and plugins to add design and features to your website. There are thousands of free and premium themes and plugins you can choose from, and most of them are easily configured. WordPress comes with many default features. However, the default features are not enough for some business or personal blogs. If you are among those users, you can simply use plugins to add extra features to your website. Let's check out what are the big brands that use WordPress. As mentioned above, WordPress powers more than 34% of the website on the internet. By far, this is the biggest and most popular CMS in the world, and lot of big companies use this website builder only. If you check out, there are different companies that use WordPress as a web for building a website, such as the Walt Disney Company, the TechCrunch news blog, and the Sony Music Company. The Great White House website is also built on the WordPress CMS, and Star Wars official website will be built on the WordPress CMS. The newer the WordPress, and Wagyu is also built on the WordPress. So if you want to become a WordPress developer, then thanks to the popularity of WordPress, there are a lot of opportunities for the development in future, also in current situation also. With over 76 million users, there are always a people looking for a WordPress developer to enhance their website, whether it will be like optimizing a website, whether it will be like adding a new functionality, whether it will be like creating some kind of themes for a website. Like there are a lot of opportunities. If you want to, like if you like eager to learn a WordPress, then this is the best channel from where like you could learn complete WordPress development tutorial. So so what can WordPress developers can create? They will create a themes and plugins. For creating a theme, they need to advanced knowledge of HTML5, CSS3 and PHP. These are the main three languages that you must know for creating a themes and plugins in WordPress. So can I use WordPress for big companies? Answer will be of course yes. The most business and startups are not sure how useful WordPress can be. If they should even invest in a website built with this website builder. Beside the free aspect of WordPress, it's powerful and these features give you the flexibility you always wanted. There are five key reasons why WordPress is good choice for your business. Because of low ongoing cost, and you can add plenty of functionality with help of plugins, and there are number of plugins available for free as well as premium. You can buy and use as per your requirement. It is expandable. Roughly it's like use expandable compared to any other CMS. Upgrade is like every every year they are sending some kind of upgrade in the WordPress CMS. The end of the session we have reached. In this session we have talked about awesome CMS and try to explain if learning a WordPress is still worth it. WordPress is most powerful website builder in the world with over 75 million websites built with and more, and 500 more are created on daily basis. If you check these statistics, like you will be like, thank you for your valuable time. Do like, share, subscribe. If you find any value in this video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe for future videos. Whatever we upload, you will get notified. Also click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for staying with us. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel.